Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, everyone. I'm Paul. Emily, how are you today?
I'm great, Paul. Thank you. How are you?
I'm very good. I'm happy today.
That's wonderful. Hey, before we start today's episode, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.
Yes, share it with everyone. And leave a comment, too. We love reading your comments.
We really do. Okay, Paul, today we have a very fun topic.
Ooh, I love fun topics. What is it?
Today we're talking about fun. What do you do for fun?
Ah, that's a great question. Let me think. I do many things for fun.
Me too. Fun is very important in life, right?
Yes, exactly. We need fun every day.
So, Paul, tell me, what do you like to do for fun?
Well, I love listening to music. Music makes me happy.
Oh, that's great. I love music too. What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music and pop music. How about you, Emily?
I like pop music and jazz. Jazz is very relaxing.
Wow, jazz is beautiful. Do you play music?
No, I don't play music, but I listen to music every day. What about you?
I play the guitar. Just a little bit.
That's amazing, Paul. Playing guitar is fun.
Yes, it's very fun, but I'm not very good.
That's okay. The important thing is to have fun.
Exactly. That's right.
So, listening to music and playing guitar are fun for you. What else do you do?
I also like reading books. Reading is very relaxing.
Oh, I love reading too. What kind of books do you read?
I like adventure books and mystery books. They're very exciting.
That sounds great. I like reading romance books and cooking books.
Cooking books? That's interesting.
Yes, I love cooking. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies.
Ah, so cooking is fun for you.
Yes, very fun. I cook new recipes every week.
Wow, that's wonderful. Do you cook for your family?
Yes, I cook for my husband and my kids. They love trying new food.
That's so nice. I like cooking too, but I'm not very good at it.
You can learn. Cooking is easy when you practice.
That's true. Maybe I should cook more often.
Yes, you should. It's very fun.
Okay, I will try. So, Emily, what other things do you do for fun?
Well, I like watching movies. I watch movies every weekend.
Oh, me too. I love movies. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies. They make me laugh.
Ah, laughing is good. I like comedy movies too.
Yes, and I also like action movies sometimes.
Action movies are exciting. I love action movies.
Do you watch movies at home or at the cinema?
I usually watch movies at home with my family. How about you?
Me too. I watch movies at home. It's more comfortable.
Yes, and you can eat popcorn.
Exactly. Popcorn is the best. Do you like popcorn, Paul?
Oh, yes, I love popcorn. Sweet popcorn is my favorite.
I like salty popcorn.
That's good too. Hey, Emily, do you like sports?
Yes, I like some sports. I like walking and swimming.
That's great. Walking is very good for health.
Yes, I walk every morning in the park.
Wow, every morning? That's amazing.
Thank you. It makes me feel good. And you, Paul, do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing soccer. Soccer is my favorite sport.
Oh, soccer is very popular. Do you play with friends?
Yes, I play with my friends every Saturday.
That sounds like so much fun.
It is. We laugh and run and have a great time.
That's wonderful. Exercise is important and fun.
Exactly. It's good for the body and the mind.
Yes, very true. So we have music, reading, cooking, movies, and sports. Those are all great activities.
Yes, there are so many fun things to do.
Paul, do you like going out with friends?
Oh, yes. I love spending time with friends. We go to restaurants and cafes.
That's nice. I like that too. Talking with friends is fun.
Yes, we talk and laugh for hours.
Do you like going to parties?
Sometimes. Small parties are nice. How about you?
I like small parties too. Big parties are sometimes too loud.
I agree. Small parties are more comfortable.
Yes, you can talk better with people.
Exactly. Good conversation is fun.
So true. Hey, Paul, do you like traveling?
Oh, I love traveling. Traveling is one of my favorite things.
Mine too. Where do you like to go?
I like going to the beach. The beach is beautiful and relaxing.
The beach is wonderful. I love the beach too.
Do you like swimming in the ocean?
Yes, swimming in the ocean is so fun. And I like walking on the sand.
Me too. And I like looking at the sunset.
Oh, sunsets at the beach are beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful. Where else do you like to travel, Emily?
I like going to the mountains. The mountains are peaceful.
That sounds lovely. Do you go hiking?
Yes, hiking is fun, and the air is so fresh.
That's great. I should try hiking.
Yes, you should. It's good exercise and very beautiful.
Okay, I will. So, Emily, do you have any hobbies at home?
Yes, I like painting. Painting is very relaxing.
Wow, you paint? That's amazing.
Thank you. I'm not a professional, but I enjoy it.
That's wonderful. What do you paint?
I paint flowers and landscapes. Sometimes I paint animals.
That sounds beautiful. I would love to see your paintings.
Thank you, Paul. Maybe one day. Do you have any creative hobbies?
I like taking photos. Photography is fun.
Oh, that's great. What do you take photos of?
I take photos of nature. Trees, flowers, birds, everything.
That's so nice. Nature is beautiful.
Yes, and taking photos helps me notice small details.
That's a great point. You see the world differently.
Exactly. It makes walks more interesting.
I love that. So, Paul, let's think about our listeners. What activities can they try?
Good idea. Well, everyone can try listening to music.
Yes, music is easy and free. Just turn on the radio or your phone.
Right. And everyone can try walking. Walking is free too.
That's true. Walking in the park is very nice.
Yes, and you can walk with friends or family.
Good point. Doing things with people is more fun.
Exactly. What else can people try, Emily?
Reading is good. Go to the library and get a book.
Yes, libraries are free. You can borrow books.
And you can try cooking. Start with simple recipes.
That's a great idea. Cooking at home is also cheaper than restaurants.
Yes, and it's healthier too.
Very true. What about watching movies?
Yes, there are so many movies online now, and some are free.
Right. And you can watch with family.
Movie night at home is so fun.
It is, with popcorn and drinks.
Yes, perfect. Hey, Paul, some people say they don't have time for fun. What do you think?
That's sad. Everyone needs time for fun.
I agree. Even just 15 minutes a day is good.
Yes, you can listen to a song or read a few pages.
Exactly. Small moments of fun are important.
Very important. Fun makes us happy and healthy.
Yes, when we have fun, we feel less stress.
That's so true. Life is better with fun.
Absolutely. So, dear listeners, make time for fun every day.
Yes, even when you're busy, find a little time.
Your happiness is important.
Very important. Okay, Emily, let's ask our listeners a question.
Good idea. Listeners, what do you do for fun?
Yes, tell us in the comments. We want to know.
Do you like sports, music, reading, cooking?
Or maybe something different. Tell us.
We love reading your comments.
Yes, and maybe we can try your ideas too.
That's right. We can learn from each other.
Exactly. So, Emily, let's talk about trying new things.
Oh, yes. Trying new activities is exciting.
It is. Sometimes we find a new hobby.
Yes. I tried painting last year, and now I love it.
That's wonderful. I want to try cooking more.
You should. Start with something simple, like pasta.
Good idea. Pasta is easy.
Yes, and delicious.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too. Talking about food always makes me hungry.
Same here. Okay, so trying new things is good.
Yes, don't be afraid to try. You might love it.
Exactly. And if you don't like it, that's okay too.
Right. Just try something else.
There are so many fun things in the world.
So many. Everyone can find something they enjoy.
Yes, the important thing is to look for fun.
And make time for it.
Absolutely. Okay, Emily, I think we talked about many good ideas today.
Yes, we talked about music, reading, cooking, movies, sports, traveling, and more.
So many fun activities.
Yes, and remember, listeners, fun is different for everyone.
That's right. What's fun for me might be different for you.
Exactly. Find what makes you happy.
Yes, don't worry about other people. Do what you enjoy.
That's the best advice.
I think so too. Okay, Emily, should we finish the episode?
Yes, but first, let's remind our listeners.
Good idea. Dear listeners, please subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, click the subscribe button.
And click the like button too. It helps us a lot.
And share this video with your friends. Everyone can learn English.
That's right. And don't forget to leave a comment.
Yes, tell us, what do you do for fun?
We really want to know. Your comments make us happy.
They do. We read every comment.
So please write to us.
Okay, thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Remember to have fun every day.
Yes, life is better with fun.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
See you. Bye-bye.